Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor, FM. If you got a driving test coming up and you want to pass your driving test first time, well, this is a video to watch. Basically, it'll be me driving, doing a real mock driving test, and I'm going to show you, as a fully qualified driving instructor, what you should be doing in your driving test, what the examiner will be expecting from you, and exactly how to pass your driving test. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the button for all the latest videos. So the engine's on. Touchdown gear 1. 6-point check. Over my right shoulder, indicate. Double check the right mirror, even the right shoulder if you want to. And up to gear 2, check all your mirrors. The braking on the speed bump is quite sharp. So I'm about just over 10 miles an hour, say 12. Interior left, we're going left, indicate. Again, brake here, brake. Again, about 12 miles an hour here. Feel that sharpness. Brake, clutch down. As I can't see on the right, I'm going to go to gear 1. Lean forward to give me a better view. And move in. Check all my mirrors. Up to gear 2, just before the speed bump. Keeping it slow. That's about 10 miles an hour. So a lot more better that time round. Didn't jump too far up. Brake again, very sharp. Let me turn right into this tight road. And let me show you how to deal with a tight situation. Okay. So we have to be slightly to the center as there's parked cars on the left. Nothing wrong with that. Check all your mirrors. If a car comes, I'm ready to move back into the left. And it looks like there's a bend towards the left. So I can't see myself looking far ahead. Yes, there's a bend towards the left. Check my left mirror and just follow the shape. You want it to indicate as it's a bend. Keeping it slow in case another car comes. Let me turn right here. Interior right, indicate. Clutch goes down. Go down to gear 1 again because I can't see. Move back into my lane. Position nicely. Lean forward now as I can't see. Edge forward. Okay, looking both ways. Yep, it looks clear. Let's go. Slowly get yourself back in. Check all my mirrors up to gear 2. Let's take this road on the left, interior left, indicate left. So I went to gear 3, I probably shouldn't have gone to gear 3 since I'm turning. Okay. As long as you correct yourself, you can't really fail. Lean forward again. It's a tight road so I couldn't see, so I was leaning forward. Alright. Turning right at the end of the road, okay, so 6 to 8 cars length, interior right, indicate. 20 miles an hour road, we can see, but we're not going to go any faster anyway. Up to gear 1. Anytime you can't see on the road, it's known as a closed junction, just go to gear 1. Lean forward. Quite a few tight roads around here. Up to gear 2, check all your mirrors. Let's turn left at the end of the road. Interior left, indicate left. Brake. Again, I can't see on the right or left. Gear 1. Yeah, it's clear. Let's go into your lane. Check all my mirrors. Up to gear 2, 20 miles an hour road. Looking far ahead. It's a bend, I can't really see. I'm expecting cars to come. And let's drive. Again, check all your mirrors. Up to gear 3 now. Notice my positioning, I'm more slightly to the left than more to the center, as there's enough space for another car to come through. Interior left, as I'm going to move back in towards the left here. There you go. Let's take you right at the end of the road, at the crossroad. Interior right, there's a car right behind me, he's trying to overtake. A bit silly of him. Alright, in a rush are we? So anyway, we're going right, interior right, indicate. brake, clutch goes down, go down to gear 1. And you want to see the bottom of his tyres when you stop and a little bit of the road. So it's known as tyres and tarmac. Handbrake neutral for a little bit. You guys stay in gear 1 unless you're a bit more experienced. So you have to deal with people trying to overtake in a tight road, unnecessary, but be aware so that you don't make any sudden movements. We're turning right at the crossroad. So what's going to happen, we don't have priority, oncoming cars have priority. Let's go to gear 1. Let's see what the bus is going to do. Is he indicating the bus? No, so we can go to the center. Put the car in front of him. You can follow the arrows on the floor. Lights are changing, so we have to go. Check my left mirror up to gear 2. Into the far left lane. Always drive on the left lane. Watching out for that pedestrian crossing. And let's be up to gear 4. What's the speed on the road, guys? Did you guys see it? So dual carriageway. Get to know your area. So I know from like experience this is 40 miles an hour road. But if you can't see it, look out for it. You should see it eventually. So you can see 20 on the left. That's the 20 road on this side. So it's 40 on my side. The bus has stopped. Check my interior right. Let's indicate, get ready to overtake. Now once you're in the middle lane, cancel it. Check all your mirrors. Watch out for the lights to change when you move back into the left side. Okay, now interior left, indicate left, move back in. Again, watching out for the lights to change. Get up to 40. Check your mirrors. And that's the end of part 1. A really important driving mock test by your fully qualified driving instructor. We've broken the videos up just so it's easier to watch and have a full level of concentration. If you're ready to go to part 2, go to it straight away. If not, take a break and then catch it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.